Hi guys, now this is your boy Mr. FX, and today I just want to show one type of entry whereby most of the time the market will break the structure, takes out the first inducement, then it will tap on your supply zone, okay? Tap on your supply zone, then you'll go to the lower time frame to look for entries on your point of interest supply zone. So these are also, I call this one as a supply zone. So you see the market dropping, break the structure, it gives us the inducement, it takes out the inducement, it goes to the lower time frame. It taps to our high time frame supply zone. So you'll go to the lower time frame on this zone and look for entry. What do you look for? Something like this, depending the market will give you the direction, but you can find the market will be moving up and down like this, right? Like this. So if it touches your first supply zone, okay, I don't know how to draw the straight line. This first high becomes your choke, drop, okay, gives you an inducement, takes out the inducement like this, then it drops. So basically it will be something that looks like this, be something that looks like this, all right? That time from supply zone, right? Market it comes like this, taps in your zone, takes out the first high, it drops, it gives you an inducement, something like this. Extra. So let's go to the chart, and I just identify what I'm trying to put across, right? So basically, this is the Euro USD, and this analysis I did a few days ago. As you can see, the market been dropping. It gave us the change of character. Okay, so this was the first. This was the inducement. Look at this. This. In fact, let me just clear this chart so that you can have a good start. So look at this. This was the highest point on this market. Then on the back, you can see this was the first pullback, right? That was the first pullback. The inducement, which acted as an inducement, and I want to make sure that my chart is visible. So the time I've been having blurred charts. So this inducement taken out, I need to confirm the high. Where's my first high? My first high is this one. This one. So I need the market to close above, then I can confirm my low. So looking at this, the market did not close, all right? This was just a sweep. If it's a sweep, what do you do? If it's just a sweep, then this inducement will have transfer from here to here, okay? So you transfer inducement like this this will be the low that has caused the high. Again, the market happened to sweep that high. Okay, this is a low that has caused the high. So when inducement was taken out, which high did you confirm? This one, all right? When the market closed above, we confirm the low, closing above with the candle like this. All right, now that is your boss, right? Breakout structure. Then the market closes above, you confirm the low. Where's your low? This is a low that when it's broken, you're getting the change of character. And the market came back and broke our low. So this low, okay? So when this low is broken, we got a change of character. The first change of character, and we need inducement again to keep selling. Look at this move. Where's the first pullback? The first pullback was this one. This one, and it was never taken out. It was never taken out. So we need where the inducement is. Where's the inducement to be taken out? Here we had our first inducement. This one. This was our first pullback here. Right? That was the first pullback. Inducement that was taken out. And you need to confirm the low. Where's the low? The low, this is the low. If the market closes below like this, like that, we have to confirm the high. So now look at it. It happened to give me a high because this was the low that was broken. I see there's a good break of structure. Okay, so when it broke that structure, where is our next inducement? The next inducement is this one. Okay, this was just a sweep, but it's okay. It is inducement. Basically, so when it was taken out, damn it, what time is this? Feeling sleepy. Almost 2 a.m. So this is the level that the market been bearish for a minute. So look at this. This again, there was another break of structure here. First one, this was just a sweep. So that one we cannot confirm our high because it's just a sweep. We need the market to close the candle so that we can confirm the high. Look at this level. Yeah, I hope my chart is visible. I'm just trying to imagine that chart is visible, but later on I'll realize that it's not. So this was the valid break of structure. Okay. This is a valid break of structure. Then there's a high. A high is this one. This was the highest level before the market broke the structure. So, and guys, don't forget, I'm only talking about entry type 1, all right? So we need inducement. First inducement was this one after break of structure. It was never taken out. So we have to find the most recent pullback that has been taken out. Look at this. This is the inducement. This was on, I think on Thursday. This is the valid inducement that was taken out. Inducement, confirm the law. I need to sleep. Market happened to. It is this supply zone, all right? There's a supply zone here. The supply zone here. This is a kind of supply. You can use this one, or else we can move forward again. I can still see the market playing around. This was a new breakout structure. To broke that structure, and you have to confirm the high. Where's the high? The high was this one. When the market broke that structure, it came up, went down. Again, when it came up, what's the next break of structure? This one. The break of structure was. This is the first high. And this is a boss. So why am I marking boss? No, I need inducement. Sorry. Need the second inducement. What's the inducement? Let's see what the market was doing. What's the next inducement? Yeah. You can see, guys, this was the another inducement here. This is the inducement that was taken out. And if it was taken out, you need to confirm the law. It was taken out was the law. That's this one. If it closes below, confirm the high. Just flex. Okay. So let's see if it closes below. I don't know if I'm audible enough. Just feeling sleep. Okay. This is a breakout structure. Okay. So you need to confirm the high. Where's the high? The high was this one. Then you need inducement again. Where's the inducement? Because the inducement must be taken out, right? So the first pullback that we had, the most recent, it was this one. That was the inducement. And the law, we had to confirm the law because the inducement has been taken out. Because most of the time, what the market does, market will have to move with the pullbacks like this. When it takes out this first high, because people happen to sell this move, the stop loss is just above here. If it goes up, it takes out the stop loss, then there's high probability of catching the move. Okay. There's a high probability of catching the move. So look at this market, and this one it took out. Where's the supply zone? Can see above here. And I'll be honest, this trade I missed it. Now this is the supply zone. And where is our engineering liquidity? Engineering liquidity is here. Trapping some people right here. This is what I call engineering liquidity. Right, equal highs. So this one, it gave a reaction, then it dropped, it came to this level. A supply zone. This is our high time from 15 minutes supply zone. Okay, sorry, I gotta take it back. 15 minutes supply zone. Okay, so this being a supply zone. So I want to explain this entry type 1, whereby the market takes out the pullback. The first pullback, then it will tap your point of entry. So this level is the level whereby the market has to tap. So I'm going to go to the lower time frame on this level and explain a little bit of how you can maneuver around with the entries on such a levels. So right here, just use the playbar, look at the market, and now it's in our zone. So I drop into, if the market comes to my zone, I drop to the lower time frame, and I try to check, you see, like to try to check to see what's the market doing, and if I can get a confirmation of selling. So I'll go to my entry time frame, 1 minute time frame, and I'll go back to the first same order block to the lower time frame and see this high supply zone to see a valid order block that I can use for entries, that an order block that has the imbalance. So we're going to check on this in the lower time frame. In the lower time frame, and want to refine our order block because we want to reduce stop loss. So if you look at this is how the market looks like, this level. So I think this candle already has cleared the liquidity, right? The candle itself is good. There's a way I look at the candles. This one, my students, I hope they know how we look on this. They haven't forgotten. So the liquidity been swept, and this candle, it has the imbalance. Why? Because look at this. This is the high of this candle. This is the high and the low. This is the low of this candle. So this is the candle we're going to look for. To look to aim at. Let me just use the window so that you guys can see the candle I'm talking about. It has the imbalance. It's a good order block. So I'll refine this one, this level here, then here. This is on the 1 minute time frame where I take my entries, and I'll go to the levels here. So whenever the market is tapping on my zone and I have only one order block, then I'll use it as a first entry. First entry will have my order block here, just a sell limit. My stop loss just above the zone, and I'll target the 15 minutes low. Let me see, where is it? 15 minutes low. Yeah, this level. I'll target here. This is where I put my target. This will be a break of structure if the market happen to break that zone. So the first target will be on this low. All right, that's the first entry I'm getting. Like the market is just doing this. Let me show you. Market's just dropping like this, taking out the first high because there's some stop loss above here. Then it's tapping on my supply zone, okay? Then the supply zone, you realize that it's only one supply zone. So if it taps there, I'll have just my direct sell without an argument, because if you have one supply zone, the extreme one, it means that is of high quality. So we'll go back to our market and try to look around. Am I having this long? No, but let me just continue my chart. So this is how the market looks like. On the 15, we activated. The next entry, I'm going to use the single candle order block. Let's see. If the candle closes below this one, I'll have another entry, because here you can see everything is tapped. Everything is tapped. Liquidity being swept. Okay. So if liquidity have been swept, so I already have the first entry because of how the mechanism of the order block, because I have only one order block. But if I could have 2 or 3, then I'll use the first one as the decisional, then the last one as the extreme. So let me see how the market goes around. Okay. Want the candle to close below, single candle order block, right? There we go. So look at this, we actually did not get the single candle order block, but the market dropped. So where's our first change of characters? This one. This is our first change of character. Confirm that this market is targeting to keep going down. So I need, because the market has swept above, I only need an order block with imbalance. I don't need inducement. So because already the market has swept to the high. So let me see. Let's see. The market keeps on going down. It's coming up again. So if it's coming back again, where do I get? The only order block I have is above here. Where is it? The imbalance. This one. But definitely this market might fail to go there. So let's see. Yeah, trying to go up. It failed. Okay. So after failing, why is this market has failed on this zone? Look at this. You need to open your eyes. This market might fail to go up, but you can see we have an order flow here. Order flow. This is an order flow. Last buying before the sell. So an order flow, this market taps on our order flow, then we can use the single candle order block type of entry. So if you look at this, in fact, this market happened to tap on our zone, right? So if it taps on our zone, what do? We use the single candle order block. Let me show you. Where's the single candle order block? It actually did not tap. I wanted to tap on my zone completely. Let me see. Wanted to come into that what do you call it? Into our point of interest, our order flow. If it taps on that, then you look for a sell. If it doesn't, then hold the first entry. So let's see. Actually, the market is refusing to tap on our zone. Why? Let me look at this very well. Maybe it tapped, I did not see. Okay, market did not tap the zone, but what it did, like it gave us something kind of yeah, it did, man. Like it has tapped on our zone. It's the only that I could have not checked well. Yeah, right there. So it tapped on our zone. Sorry, I did not check well, but I knew that was the order flow. So if it's order flow to sell on a single candle order block, you wait for the market to break the first high, for example. It's going up, no, break this first high to give you something like this, looks like an inducement. Goes up, takes out the inducement, then you can sell. Then you can sell, as simple as that. So first we have it has tapped on order block, order flow, but we're not selling direct. We want it to break this high, this first low, this one. If it breaks that low, then we start preparing to sell. Yeah. Sorry guys, my type of entry sometime It's kind of like this. It's only as long as the plan works, you stick to your plan. You see, now we have that inducement is taken out, right? And this will act as also as our change of character because the market has tapped already into our supply zone in our order flow. So you want it to give us an inducement. What's the inducement? If it breaks this low, we get our first inducement, right? Yeah, now it's broken. Where's our inducement? The inducement is this one. If this market is going to break that that high, then you'll sell. If it broke that high, we'll have to look for a sell. If it breaks that high, if it fails, we do not. Is it broken? Let me see. Yeah, it's broken, man. Yeah, it's broken. So we want another candle to close below this red candle so that we can confirm our single candle order block. Yeah, and now it has done so. So where do I put my sell limit? Right here. Where do I put my stop loss? Stop loss just above here, right? Above that zone. Then I'll target where I'll target below 15 minutes low. Right here. Do you even have to position? I leave some other position to run as well. So we'll go to a 15 minutes high time frame zone and try to see where this market is going. Try to see where this market is going. If you can see, these are our entries, right? Okay, so I just play the market. That's it. There we go. You can see this is how it dropped. Okay, this is how it dropped, and you could have captured your moves. Then you can see this is a very big move, but you always target the 15R, like let's say 15 to 10. Okay, something that is so realistic. But the first one, I closed the first one on the first break of structure, this one, which was 6. So this is how you look at the market, takes out the inducement, taps our supply zone, that's how you sell. Otherwise, guys, stay locked, keep watching, like, share, right? So this is just how you identify, that's the entry type 1. I'll try to come up with some other videos, more of them, so that we can be able to be in a position on how to to maneuver around. Others, good night, guys.